Let's look at another example of a ratio question. This one says the distance between two windows on a house plan is 3 centimeters. Okay, so that plan is a drawing on paper and you measure that distance to be 3 centimeters. Let's continue. The corresponding distance at the actual house is 2.25 meters. What is the scale of the plan? Okay, so in this case, you don't know what the scale, what scale whoever drew the plan used. Probably part of the plan was destroyed by water or fire. That section with the title block, so the scale was burnt off, or maybe some chemical burnt the paper, so you can't read it, but you want to know what the scale is. All right, so remember, when we're talking about a house plan, the scale is the distance at the actual house compared with the distance on the plan, on the drawing. All right. Now, let's see what you ought to do. Here, you have 2.25 meter. That's at the house. But the thing is, on the drawing, it is 3 centimeter. You cannot say it is 3 centimeter to 2.25. You can't say it is 3. I mean, you cannot say that there's a ratio of 3 to 2.25. Can't do that. And why is that so? All right, notice that this 3 is quoted in centimeters, while the 2.25 is quoted in meters. All right? You, in order to compare two quantities using ratios, they must be quoted in the same units. So that's necessary. They must be in the same units. All right? So what you want to do is convert either meters to centimeters or centimeters to meters, because they must be in the same unit. Both quantities that you are comparing must be in the same unit. Now, it would be more convenient to convert everything to centimeters, because if you convert the 3 centimeters to meters, you would have some 0 point this and that, some point, and then the 2.25 that already has decimal point in it. Let's just deal with whole numbers. So how do you convert the 2.25 meter to centimeters? You are going to multiply by 100. So the ratio is 3 centimeters to 2.25 times 100 gives you 225 centimeters. So we have centimeter and centimeter. Good. We can do that because the ratio is really a fraction. 3 divided by 225. Centimeter up here, centimeter down here, centimeter cancel centimeter. So you're going to be using just numbers now, because remember, typically ratios don't contain the actual unit. All right. Let me redo that part. There was a little error here. I'm going to have to restart my computer before I do any other examples. 3 centimeters divided by 225 centimeters. Centimeter cancel centimeter. So now you can cancel down. So what can you divide 3 directly into 225? Let's see. 225 divided by 3. 3 into 22 goes 7. 7 3 is 21. Subtract using long division. Bring down the 5. 3 into 15 goes 5 times. 5 3 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. You remember your long division? Alright? Remember, if you don't remember what your long division was about, just say it in the comments and I'm going to put up some videos to remind us of that. Alright, so it's really 1 to 75. So it's 1, that's the distance on the scale, to 75, the distance at the house. It's a fraction, but we write it in the form of a ratio. So the answer is 1 to 75. And this is what we have. Alright? So, remember, in order for you to compare these two quantities, you must have them in the same ratio. I mean the same units. So you can get the ratio. You can't say 3 divided by 2.25 and say that's a ratio. No. You must, this 3 is in centimeter, the 2.25 is in meter. You must bring both of them to the same unit and then you can divide up and compare them, just like we did here. Alright, so we'll do another example next time.